Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make before and after slider transition for your Instagram stories. So let's start without any delay. First drag your photo or video on timeline. Next, make a duplicate. Now put duplicate on side for a while. I am going to add a LUT on video. If you want this LUT for free, check the description for a link. Now put duplicate on top. Next go to effects and search for crop and drag on top layer. Go to effect controls and here you can animate slider effect. You can make it right to left or top to bottom and bottom to top also. But I would like to make it left to right. So click on this icon and move some frames. Now click here to add a keyframe. Now move some frames. And increase value to 100%. And it's done. And if you're new on this channel, then please subscribe because I'm going to put lots of tutorials like this.